Hey, where you at?
Silver Dollar City.
Ooh, what you doing? What is that? Pumpkin?
Oh, here.
Ooh.
Yes, the Fall Fest.
Fall Fest.
At Silver Dollar City.
There's a lot going on here.
Yes.
We're going to share some photos and stuff. There's so much happening. Plus, they're still doing construction. I'll show you back behind here. They're still building new stuff here. Lots of new stuff going on. But it is a beautiful fall day, right?
Got the log ride right here behind us. It's a beautiful day, and they put 15,000 pumpkins out.
That's going to be cool.
So cool.
That's going to be cool. All right, so we'll be back. We'll show you some more stuff coming right up.
Got to dream big, or don't dream at all.
I'm a huge fall person. I love the trees, I love the pumpkins, I love the scents, I love the flavors. I am a huge fall person. So if you are a fall person too, you will absolutely love this. It's got the feels, the smells, the taste, the everything. It hits all senses.
Mr. DJ, oh for heaven's sake, play that record, DJ. Spin that record now.
And a pumpkin winner of the biggest pumpkin. It was 1,340 pounds, something like that.
That's a big
huge. Never seen one that big.
Oh, I learned something yesterday. Do you know how many pies you can get from a pumpkin that size?
No.
Neither do I.
Neither do I.
Sway. Now you've got the groove. Go and hit the dance floor. Come on, make your move.
Fall weather in Branson is just beautiful.
Oh, looking back at you. Fashion overrated. Don't matter what you wear. Size it up and just get down without a care. Without a care. Sweet. Just move. Sweet. Now you've got sweet.
We did get the tasting pass. You can buy one of these passes and it's like $32. You get 5 meals for it and you get to choose from a huge list on the back. Desserts, main dishes. It's a tasting menu, so they're kind of smaller portions, but we found that it works to be great for sharing. And with 5 meals like that, for us, it's gonna be both days.
So I think it's gonna work out perfect.
And it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So really,
Bet she wants to dance with me with no delay. Play that record, DJ. Spin that perfect track. Grab her hand and hit the floor and don't look back. Everybody's dancing. Look at
quit looking for spiders.
I know.
The problem with looking for spiders is you find them.
someone for me and there's someone for you. No crying in the corner. No breaking hearts out back. We're dancing on this floor all night. It's love attack. It's love attack.
Too, you know what? It's fall. There's fall flavors. There's fall taste. It's cool. You know, it's just fall. I love fall. So this is just filling all my senses. Loved it.
Got to catch a break. Come on, Mr. DJ, oh for heaven's sake. Play that record, DJ. Spin that record now. Turn it up and light it up and let's get down. Sway. Just move. Sway.
I have absolutely love fall. Wanted to come to this specific event whenever I saw it last year, with all the pumpkins, the colors, the lights, the foods, the taste, everything.
Don't think of the
Silver Dollar City Harvest Festival.
My number one thing that I love is the fact that not only is it fall and beautiful, it is also Christian themed throughout. They've got worship music in the background, there's Jesus stuff going on, you can go sing in the church with the ladies. It's just, it feels comfortable. It feels safer. I don't know, it just feels good. So I like the Jesus stuff.
just move. Sway. Now you've
One of the other things I thought was really cool, they have demonstrations up there at Silver Dollar City. Yesterday we're up there and the gal was making sorghum,
Sorghum.
you know, squeezed out the cane syrup and was cooking it down when we got up there, so we got to talk to her for a while.
Squeeze it out from an over 100-year-old press.
Yes, yeah.
So, yeah, it was really neat. And they dress in period clothing too, so you really felt like, wow,
You
she's
learn a
really
lot.
making sorghum.
Yeah, you get to learn a lot, but you know, being able to just walk up and talk to her for 15, 20 minutes
Yeah.
and swap stories about grandfathers and great-grandfathers and doing that and how they're using it and how they do it there and how they'd also do it if they were on the homestead. It's just really neat, but it's that way with that, with the smithing, with someone was doing some woodworking, some carvings, leather work,
Guy
lathe.
making log houses and stuff by
Yeah.
hand. He was cutting them while we walked by, chopping it down.
Yeah, it was
neat.
really neat to see all the old craftsmen. From an educational standpoint, there's the recreational side of it, but you know, oftentimes you travel with the family or the kids or grandkids, nephews, nieces, whatever, and you go to have fun someplace. But you could also not just have fun, but they could be engaged with learning some stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, finding out more how things were built, because that whole place is based on an old homestead.
Yes. Yeah, they actually show a old cabin that one of the ladies had come to this area and set up camp there. I mean, that's her house over there. And they let you walk through it and see the kitchen and the bedroom and stuff, so it's neat.
There's a lot of things to do. Now, it's a bit of walking. Let's talk a little bit about the walking. We plan on getting some exercise in. If you're not up to walking, you might want to bring that scooter, or you can rent one there at the place because it's hilly. It's very up and
yeah.
down.
Yeah, especially if you stay. We stayed 10 hours yesterday.
DJ, spin that record now. Turn it up and light it up and let's get down. Sway, just move. Sway.
Thing about Silver Dollar City,
It's up, down.
it's up and down. You get your exercise, you get your walking in. There's so much to see, and you have a great time doing it.
Come on, make your move. Don't think of the people looking back at you. Fashion overrated. Don't matter what you wear. Size it up and just get down without a care. Without a care. Sway. Just move. Sway. Now you've got the groove. Sway.
One of the other cool things about the fall or harvest festival is they have crafts out. So lots of craft makers around the park, so you can buy necklaces, Christmas gifts, jewelry. I mean, they make everything.
There were booths everywhere.
So that's part of the harvest festival. So that was neat to see all that, see local people that make things, and anyway, they set up shop there.
Yeah, it was really.
Bet she wants to dance with me with no delay. Play that record, DJ. Spin that perfect track. Grab her hand and hit the floor and don't look back. Everybody's dancing. Look at what they do. There's someone for me and there's someone for you. In a month of work days, I've got to catch a break. Come on, Mr. DJ, oh, for heaven's sake. Play that record, DJ. Spin that record now. Turn it up and light it up, and let's get down. Sway, just move. Sway, now you've got the groove. Go and hit the dance floor. Come on, make your move. Don't think of the
Come on out and visit Silver Dollar City when you get the chance. And if you don't get the chance, we'll put lots of pictures and video up here so that you can enjoy it.
Yes. Lots
Thanks,
of pictures.
thanks for tagging along with us. We appreciate it, and we will see you down the road. Until then, remember, God is good
All the time.
all the time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
without. Sway, just move. Sway, now you've got the groove. Sway, in time. Sway, now I know you're mine. Saw her in the corner, looking at my way. Bet she wants to dance with me with no delay. Play that record, DJ. Spin that perfect track. I grab her hand and hit the floor and don't look back. Everybody's dancing. Look at what they do. There's someone for me and there's someone for you. No crying in the corner. No breaking hearts out back. We're dancing on